Hello happy Kia users. Today I want to show you how to switch off a low tire pressure light in Kia Picanto 2011-2017. Let's go. Today morning I got into the car, turned the key and the low pressure light came on the dashboard. So most cars have a switch hidden somewhere under the steering wheel or other place, but not the Kia Picanto. In the Picanto, considering the problem is easier than in other cars. First, you should check the wheels and the pressure in the tire. Then top up pressure in them. If you have already refilled the pressure and you're sure it's correct, you simply can drive the car. The correct pressure will be sent and recorded by sensors, and the indicator, the light on your dashboard, will go off after about 5 to 15 minutes of driving. It's simple like that. Enjoy your driving. Kia Picanto. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.